Yo, what's good? So lately, right, I've been doing a study group. Or this month, I had just started a study group, and honestly, it's been a little rough. It's been a little rough this month. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Like, I have a good idea of what it is. Like, the main reason is because of me. It's always because of the leader. You know, that if something's not popping off, it's not popping off because the leader. So it's because of me. I put it on me right now. But so what happened this month is I wasn't really promoting it. I didn't really send a shout out too much. I didn't really, you know, everything should be just progress, 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 right? But that's not what it was this month. This month, like it was me more trying to catch back up. And I guess it's still progress, but like I just didn't do the proper promotions this month for everybody to really know. Because out of 100 people, only about three will make it to the end. Only about 25 will show up, and only about 10 will keep going. And then five will truck it through, and then the three will make it to the end. That's what I've noticed. Um, so I didn't actually have the 100 this month. So that's the main thing this month. Like I wasn't really promoting it um how I should have, how I normally do if I'm actually gonna do something. Um, it's okay. Like it's all a work in progress. But like this month, I was really excited to start going through JavaScript, which I am. I'm still gonna be going through JavaScript even if I have to do it alone, like I tell my members. But when you sign up for a study group, I understand what you want is a study group, and that's what I aim to give you. So, anyways, what's up? How are y'all doing, man? Like, cause right now that's what I'm focused on. I'm focused on how to get this study group up and live and back together. Um, I'm gonna have to do more. I'm gonna have to write some stuff down and make sure that everybody can really understand what's actually going on, because I understand that it's hard to come into something and you don't really know what's going on. You might have just read the initial letter or shout out that I sent out on Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. You might have just read that and you come in and you're like, oh, well, he was late and then there's not a lot of people. And so I totally understand, but I'm still going to be going through this JavaScript, even if I have to do it alone this month. But I really just want to send a shout out like, what's good? What's going on? I want to get this. I want to get this together, so that because it is better when you have a group of people together doing something together. No, more than likely, no matter what it is. Um, so that's what I'm aiming for right now. I'm aiming to just, I'm putting it all on me. I'm aiming to make it better, and that's my goal right now. I'm trying to figure out what I have to do to, you know, do better, and but I also continue to learn and continue to make a living. Like, cause right now I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of tough, especially when I'm spending all the time on this. And I think you guys would understand, you guys and girls would understand, whoever's listening to this, like y'all would totally understand if you put so much time towards something, and like it's always a learning process. You have to remember that, but you always have to keep learning. You can't just. I'm really talking about myself right now, at least with this W3 develops thing. It's like you can't just waste time not learning, because that's where we mess up at. Like you can't stay stagnant with it. You have to be continuous. Like Quincy Larson says, you have to keep the momentum. Um, like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett say, you gotta keep the focus. You gotta stay focused. So that's what I just have to do with this learning, and that's what I'm gonna keep on doing. Is I'm gonna keep the study group going. I'm gonna fix the cohorts up a little bit. Next month I'm not gonna advertise it. So everybody that's already in W3 develops, what I'm gonna do is for you guys that are already here in the Discord or in, somehow affiliated already, you guys are already in. So, like I said, this is your guys' group. It's not really mine. So you guys will still always be able to reach out and just have study groups and, just do what you want, you know, set your own times. And so what I'm gonna be doing also, what's good, Elliot? I was about to say, so what so what's good? Everything, everything, man. Blessings. But what I'm working on right now, dude, is how to get the moderators and how to get people, because eventually I'm gonna turn this into a paid platform. It's always gonna be free, but I want it to be like RuneScape, and make like RuneScape, like where it's like you have the paid version, then you got the free version, you know? Hey, yeah, we hanging out, dude. Hey, I don't know if you can join the call. If you want to join the call, bro, you can. I might have to join Hangouts or something. I don't know. But yeah, dude. So that's what I'm really focused on right now is I gotta figure out how to I'm figuring out how to just get people to collaborate together for W3 develops, and like kind of like have there be like a reward system or something where like, you know, if any profits ever do flow, it's like a piece would go towards them, like a percentage, a portion, something, just where everybody would really benefit. And it's like that's one thing. But besides that, like I just really want the moderators. I want to find like some real hardcore moderator. Like Elliot, you're a hardcore moderator, but you know you got other stuff to do and you're still learning and stuff. But I think it would be a good idea if, like, since you're kind of like, you might even be ahead of me with what you know now, dude. So like just like, kind of find a way to like put like some of that coding towards W3 develops, and it's really on me to have to figure out the tasks and the, you know, the stuff that needs to be done and who should be doing it, and you know who should be collaborating on what. And I think that's how I want to do the cohorts in the future. I want to have it so that like they're actually collaborating on some. Yeah, we should go more into agile methodologies. We definitely need more scrum masters, bro. And you know it's a nice thing that we have that W3 develops repository, the PM rock, and the what's the other one? And we have another one too, but for the cohorts. And I think that stuff's really beneficial. But what I'm really focusing on right now is how to get people to start collaborating with Scrum as well. Uh, I see that you keep on mentioning that, so I'm gonna have to look more into how to incorporate that skill set into people's workflow. Um, so one thing, that's one thing, is how to get like the moderators on board and how to like mix it up with the cohorts where they can like be building projects that would benefit W3 develops as well and themselves. Uh, um, yeah, dude, that's a big thing that I'm really focused on right now because like I want to figure out like how to like divvy out tasks, or like I can like call people, right, or like text them or something, or something, you know, email them or something, reach out to them somehow, Discord them up, and just send them a message and be like, hey, bro, send this. I'll write the shout out, and then I just be like, hey, send this shout out, and they'll send the shout out. They'll send the message I told them to send on Instagram or on Twitter or on Facebook or on, you know, whatever platform, and just get the word out. Yeah, dude. Like a week of Scrum Masters going out and getting real life clients now. What do you mean by that, dude? A restaurant? So that's what you got, dude? Yeah, then they'll have oh, you're talking about for like the cohorts and stuff. Um, yeah, dude, I definitely want to do something like that because I definitely know that I can go and get people like clients and stuff. You know, because there's a lot of clients that just I know I can get. I can hit up, be it WordPress or SEO or HTML and CSS or whatever it may be. Like just building a whole website in of itself. You know, and we can like charge real money, like $2,500 a pop, 500 at the minimum, 2,500 at the norm. Yeah, dude, like even just making it and presenting it to the client. Yeah, dude, that would be really cool. Like if it like I know Chris Not Nice has something like that. I told him to send him some clients. But like yeah, I see what you're saying too. Or like they just go out and get jobs themselves. Like that would be really cool, dude. That that's not bad either. But yeah, I'm definitely so that's one thing I'm really focused on. Another thing is like I gotta figure like I'm figuring out that like I need to start like drawing like me personally, what I need to work on is I need to work on figuring out how to distribute tasks. Because there's people that'll work on tasks. It says it's just my tasks. For example, my issues on GitHub, they're so all over the place, and so much of them I really have to do myself. And it's like, just can't be lazy. There's just so many different things that you can procrastinate on out here, and it's like just gotta find that balance, man, and try to do things like the fastest you can, But like for example, like the jobs and stuff, like I'm, I don't even think it would just have to be like just the moderators. I think it would, yeah. I think we should have a meeting with just the moderators. I think you're absolutely right with that. And like the thing is, we have so many moderators from so many different platforms. Like if you check out the Facebook group, like our moderators there, and they've been there since the beginning. Like our moderator, and they've just been chilling. Like that's why like I have to find like different moderators and different things. And it's like I want to send these shout outs, right? Because we already have the login system. I told people once we get the login system, we'll send the shout outs. If you go to w3develops.org/pro, we got the login system. We got the whole social media site set up. Like it's just I don't know, man. It's just I really want to send like a ton of shout outs, bro, and just get mad. Cause like not even just shout outs, like just get the people that I know want to join to get to join already. It's just what I'm really focused on now is kind of like the automation part where it's like the people I want people that fill out the Google form or fill out a form that we have on our website. I need them I need that form to be able to automatically link like automatically synchronize them so that they're separated first in the tier, second into like time zone, and I got to figure out how to do that. I just don't know if I would do that with SQL or Firebase or JavaScript or all I know is HTML and CSS right now. So it's like I gotta start asking people about that. Like that's a major hindrance in the progress at the moment. It's like if I just know, if I just like know, if like I don't know, if I just figure out like what I need to know to be able to do that, I'll be okay. But it's like I can't really put that question on Quora because it's like such a like it's a weird question that you the way you gotta frame it because there's so many different websites and I don't know. Maybe I'll just frame it correctly. I don't think I've asked it yet, but I'll ask that. But like that's once we get that the form once we get the form on and popping, like it'll just make everything so much easier. And once we're able to like automatically send the emails, like bulk emails at a fixed time, like for free. I want to figure out how to do that for free because like currently you gotta pay for it or something, and I'm not paying for that. Like at the moment, it's like $25 a month, and just Mailchimp is acting weird. So I gotta figure all this stuff out. And it's like there's so much stuff to figure out, dude. But while I'm figuring that stuff out, it's like I could be making people websites with WordPress and making money. I could be out there doing something else, you know. I don't know. It's all a work in progress. It's just, you know, there's a lot going on. Like those are just like two main things I'm focused on right now. Like, and that's it's coming together. I just got to figure out how to do that, man. And once we do that, and the thing is, since we have this open source social network put together, what I have to do is I have to figure out how to read that code base now. It's kind of like any code base, like that you download. It's a huge mosquito right there. But no, that's it, man. I gotta figure out how to I gotta figure out how to do that, man. So that's the main thing. And what I really was here for is I'm talking about the study groups. Like, what's good for all y'all that are watching this in the future? I want to know what's going on at 6 o'clock. I'm still gonna be going hard. I'm still gonna be going through this JavaScript. I want to see you there. Like, and I understand. You know what? I understand. I understand. That's one thing I'll tell you right now. I understand. I didn't advertise to enough people. Where am I in JavaScript? I'm going through the Mozilla documentation right now. And I'm really looking for a partner. Like I want somebody to show up like every day. Like remember when we were doing it? Every day. And with the JavaScript guys that went last month, oh man, I'm so grateful that we made the videos and recorded that. I just gotta go through them and they're uploaded. I just gotta change the names of them. But what I'm really interested in seeing is I'm really interested in seeing what like how they went through it, because when they were going through it, they just went through it so magnificently because the gentlemen, Pat and Adam and DK, they knew JavaScript a little bit already, so they pretty much were helping me through the basics. And it's like I kind of wish I would have kept on going, but I picked up the freelance project and like it just didn't happen. I just stopped. But that's the thing. Like that's why I say I understand. Like truth be told, I understand that like people have stuff to do. There's a lot going on in people's lives and in the world right now. But the thing is, it's like I want people to just stick it through. Like, cause like if you join the cohorts, I want you to stick it through. Unless your computer is something wrong with it where you can't really be there, even then, like you should still just watch the videos and go through it. I know you're going through it in the morning, man. Bro, where's the videos at though, dude? Pat, what's up, dude? Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Like you guys are legendary, man. You, DK, Adam, man, Elliot, y'all three boys, y'all three men went through that. Y'all went through through and just got stuff done, dude. It's weird. It says only one person's in here, so I didn't know. What's up, though, dude? But yeah, man, it's like that's the thing, bro. Like you guys went through the tutorials, and I'm so happy that you guys made the tutorials, dude. Like, and truth be told, dude, you should just start advertising as a service. Um, period. You should just be advertising as like Pat P. I'm not gonna put your last name out there. Like Pat P. Oh, all right. So your name's in the chat. All right, yeah, Pat Perkins, freaking web design or something. Or like we should like definitely do something like that with like W3 developers, where like I can like I want to start like getting it so like all I'm doing every day is just like throwing you guys clients, and like everything else on the website, the study groups and the, all I'll have to do is like the advertisement basically. Like I'll advertise the study groups, the cohorts, and that we will build like in another feature I want to add to the website is like kind of like an agency kind of thing where like we will build you websites, anywhere from like $500 to like $2,500 or something like that. That's something that I'm really aiming for. Like that, I've been kind of like in the back of my mind because I've been so focused on figuring out how to. I don't know if you were here for this, Pat, but I'm trying to figure out one, how to, when people sign up, like how people when they fill out the Google form or the form on our website for the study group or the cohorts, how like with the study group, how with the cohorts, for example, if they fill that out, they would be first separated or grouped together by their tier. So that's like their experience level 1 through 3. Tier 1 is HTML and CSS, tier 2 is JavaScript, tier 3 is like data visualization or advanced JavaScript. Um, I learned what a product owner was this week. I think what that's what I am. A product, maybe. More of a client. Uh, that's what I am. More of a client. Guys, Scrum Master, bro. I don't see why not, bro. Like, Scrum is really working with teams. So if that's what you're doing already, I mean, you kind of are on that already, Elliot. You're doing, you're, from what I can tell, in the group, you're pretty much like leading teams and like, helping coordinate stuff. So, you guys are using like Scrum methodology totally, and you're the one that's pretty much telling me about it. So I have the guide, bro. If you guys check that out, dude, hone those on you know what I'm talking about on on GitHub. Hone, you probably already read it, dude. Hone those skills, bro. But yeah, dude, we just gotta get it, man. Like we gotta go out here and like I want to help people really, but like to do that, like money's gotta come in. It sucks, but it is what it is. It's like I don't want to sit here and try to freaking make a ton of money or get rich or it's like I just need money to put some food in the fridge. And it's like I'm a fan of, open source and doing everything for free. And, I'm still open source. Uh, I'm still gonna put out freemium. But like I think we should also have like another part. I'm just thinking about this now. We should have another part, like a feature where it's like microservices, where like people just get together and build microservices. I gotta rewatch this. Yeah, dude. Like we're like we have like a not a study group, but like a microservices group where you guys would all just get together and build like a microservice, like a tax agency or something together, or some crazy stuff. Just have the there's got to be like some open source tax stuff out there. I know there is because I've looked it up, and I don't think it's hard to do taxes. I think they use a computer anyway. So just something where like people can generate money and like it is what it is. Like that'll help people and that'll be like a free thing, like and then we can have our own kind of like premium features on top of that where it's like all right, so we have these free projects where you guys can all do together, but then we have some W3 develops moderators or some W3 develops people who just want to make this a premium project and you can work on those. And, you know, like for example, it'd be like a project that you guys want to make premium or just, like a big, huge project or something. And, they'll get a percentage, like W3 develops will get a percentage of the profits. And then everybody else that works on it, like they can, like it'll be theirs, but like we'll have like a I don't know like a 5% stake in profits or something. Like I don't know something worked out, but that's like not like a dick move, you know. But like something that's gonna be completed. Um, because all right, so it'll be like our project, and then they'll have, so it's basically like them putting in on the project too. So it'd probably be like a close. I don't know. I'm just thinking this off the top of my head, but that's what I'm saying. I want to figure out like how to just start getting these ideas and turning them into moves, into actual, stuff that people can do. And to do that, I really have to. I need more time. I'm not gonna get more time, but I need more. I need more. I gotta. I was also talking about the second thing. So that was like one and two things. The first thing I was saying before this was like I gotta figure out how to get like the moderators. Like I gotta figure out how to like organize because I have tasks on GitHub, like not tasks but like issues, but like stuff isn't really organized. So I have to like really like organize moderators into specific tasks and roles that would be beneficial to them that they would be willing to do. Um, and just like I wanna kind of like make it so like the moderators and stuff, like they're like real deal a part of the community. Like they're a part of the community, of course, but like they're like if like any profits kind of like turn it like I kind of want to make like a W3 developers coin or something, but any profits or something that like they get like we get like they would get like a portion of that. Like that's how deep the moderation would be, something like that. And I think that would like kind of like incentivize, but that would also benefit everybody involved. Like, I don't know, just not even just that, but like people that really want to get their foot in the door too. Like, cause we have community managers, but I want to make it like where like the like what I just said for moderators, like should be for community managers, and like the moderators, they'd be like the ones like that are like striving to get there, to get to that community manager role, something like that. But I really just want collaboration and cooperation and just stuff getting done and like people not backing out. And that's another thing. So I guess the number three would be like I wanna I've been thinking a lot about like having like maybe like people pay like $5 or $10 a month. Like $5 is great. I would love to have five because I think like a lot more people I don't know. I just figure like $10, well, five, I don't know, whatever, but something for like the cohorts and the study groups where like I don't know, maybe even like lifetime access for like $5 or everybody that's there already, they should have like lifetime access, and everybody that's like new, like they like once one but I want to do that like once we get the freaking thing together, the where I can do the form and like have the form like automatically group people together, like I was saying, like if they go to like to the study groups and or to the cohorts application, and they this is a big thing on my mind because I want to do it with like the cohorts application where they can like it'll divide them into groups automatically based on their tier and um their country of origin, their like their UTC. Um, that's a big thing. I'm focusing like I got like I don't know how to I don't even know what that's called. Like you guys would like if you guys would put that in the chat. Like I don't even know what that's called or what how because all I know is HTML and CSS. So I don't know what all that's about. Like is that SQL? Is that Firebase? Is that JavaScript? Is it I don't know. It's like it's past my threshold of knowledge right now. Like I gotta that's a big question on my mind. So once I get past how to do that, I'll go ahead and make a. I'm gonna send the shout outs, dude. Like, yeah, like, cause I always said I was, cause we already have the login system with like w3develops.org/pro. So I guess the last thing I need to do is that man. But like, I really want to get people jobs, dude. Like work, at least freelance work, because like it's out there. And even if like Like, and we can charge like a high margin. Like I will do the freaking advertisement. Excuse me. I will do the advertisement. Bro, see, the thing is, we don't need anything. All we need all we need is we have to get these forms and stuff down so that like it'll just automatically get sent to me. I mean, yeah, dude, that would be. I'm not gonna lie, that would be really cool. Like, if you want to talk to him, bro, or say something, or send me the info, that'd be really cool, bro. To get a grant or something. I mean, if it helps other people, why not? Like, that's what it's about. Like, even if I end up not really even making money off this, I can put this on my application, and like, I want my moderators to be like co-founders in a way. Like, everybody can like kind of like just take the credit for like what I put my work and time into and getting other people to put their work and time into and just really capitalizing off it and just making the best for them and their families. Like, I don't know. That's for me that yeah, see that's the thing. It's gonna be open source, completely free. That's a no brainer, dude. That's gonna be of course, bro. You know? Period. Everything I use is open source, so it's gotta be open source, dude. Like we do this, you know? Um keep it open source. But like and that's what I encourage all my businesses that I work for. Of course, dude. That's yeah, that's what I was actually talking about. For people to make profits off their own products. I was talking earlier about that. Remember I was saying like the microservices thing. I was thinking about something like that where like because like I was saying earlier, like always having like a free version of the tiers and cohorts, but then having people that like want to pay, they can like like let's say I want to work with somebody that like actually is like really committed to doing a study group or really committed to doing the cohorts, and they're like they're so committed, they're like, all right, I want to pay $5, $10, and I don't want to work with anybody that hasn't paid 5, $10, something like that. I don't know. But then always having the free ones where like the people that might drop out, I want to see how that works. I want to see the I want to get some analytics and data on that, on if they would pay more, if more people would sign up if it was paid, or more people would sign up if it was free. Obviously it would be more people would sign up for free, but I want to see what the retention rate is, what the rate on how, if they actually make it through the curriculum of going through the whole free code camp, going through the whole Mozilla developer network, and actually getting it done. Like I want to see what the rate on that is, and like the job rate afterwards. Like that's what I want to see. Like, because you guys are already so close to, like, you guys are already doing Elliot and Pat on here. You guys are already doing the freelancing and stuff, dude. So it's like, you guys are making money off it, even if it's not a lot of money. It's $1 off of code, you know. So that's what I want other people to be doing. Like, even if it's not a lot, like I want, like in a year from now, I want to see where you're at. I want to see 6 months from now, 3 months from now, I want to see where you're at, what you're doing, because it's already progress. You guys were making money, like we were all making money after that first month of doing it. That was interesting. That really interested me. Like, first it was Elliot, then it was me, I think, and then maybe I think then it was Pat, and then it was me. Or I don't know. What's up? What's up, dude? And we're just over here talking about, so, like, a lot of the goals and stuff that we have, and like we want to try to get people more active, and like figuring out how to make people money, and like just how to get them more knowledge and better opportunities for y'all and y'all families and stuff. Just a bunch of stuff. Um, but yeah, dude. Adam, what's up, homie? Yo, so almost everyone's here, dude. Yeah, man. So like that. This is what I was talking about, bro. Like, I want to figure out like how to get people that are like my moderators and like our community managers. Like, I want to figure out how to get us like more involved. Like how, like, and it's really my fault. really, really my fault, dude. Because like for example, if you check out my GitHub and stuff, our GitHub and stuff, like we have issues on there and stuff, but it's like kind of like my job to like go in there and like do a lot of this stuff that needs to be done. And even now, I'm like refactoring, like redoing everything really. But it's like right now I'm focusing on how to get people more like how to like set the task right. And oh, dude, what I'm really focusing on right now is like I'm focusing on how to get people like in like tasks and stuff. Or like I know what they're good at or whatever they can like offer volunteering stuff and like but it like just more readable and stuff for the tasks. But like I really want to like I want to figure out how to for the form like our Google form. And once I do this, like I feel like I can like really. Oh, dude, yeah, dude. If you want to help automate, bro, we can all help you with the freelancing stuff, bro. Like, bro, first of all, go to Craigslist. But second of all, don't let me lose my thought. Go to gigs, but don't let me lose my thought. What's it called? Um, Go in different areas too. Like a lot of them you can probably do remote. But what was I thinking? All right, yeah. So, dude, for the form for the website, I want to figure out how to take it so that like we have a Google form, but like we can also have like a custom HTML form or something, right? And like I want to figure out how to like get the data from like the form and like make it so that like the data goes from the form and like let's say the cohorts form. I want it so that the user or the member they would have like their it would separate them by group and tier. Yeah, so it would separate them but not it would separate them into groups by tiers. And then like what it would do is like it would separate them by tier and by country of origin, like what country or UTC they're in. That's what I'm really stuck on right now. Like, and if I can like figure out a way to like just get that so that it groups them into individual groups, dude, oh man, we'd be set, bro. Like, and just automate that and then figure out how to like do like emails where I can like schedule the emails automatically. Oh man, I just don't know how to do that. I don't know. All I know is HTML and CSS. I don't know if that's JavaScript. I don't know if that's I, I don't know if it's PHP, if it's SQL, Firebase. I don't know what does that or how to do that. Like so if you know how to do that, like please put that in the chat because I'm so stuck on that. And I think that would just it would free up so much time for me and it would help so many other people. And then we can set it so that we can launch every 2 weeks. We can launch like a group and a cohort every 2 weeks. Or a study group and a cohort every 2 weeks. A cohort and a group are the same thing. Dude, we instead of a Trello, we should you guys I'll give you guys access. I think you guys have access to the I'll give you guys access to the GitHub and you guys we can make a GitHub project. GitHub project board. But yeah, dude, definitely I agree that we should definitely have some project management. And I like how yeah, you're definitely moving it more towards Scrum methodology, which is very nice. Um yeah, man. So I really want to figure out how to get you guys like on like money like I I want to focus on like doing the advertising and stuff. Even then, like if we just figure out like if like we get to the point where like we're making so much money, like not off the study groups and stuff, but like off freelancing and stuff, where like I'm throwing you guys like such good clients and stuff, like that like I'm able to like just hire an advertiser guy to do everything I do, and then I'm actually able to like start coding and everything. Like it would just make everything so much easier. Yeah, so I actually have to make the really. I actually so I have to be a little more open source because like all of our source isn't actually open right now. All of our code isn't actually open right now. Like we have the whole open source social network on the back end that like it's called w3develops.org/pro. It's on the back end. Thanks for the thumbs up, dude. But it's on the back end, right? And it what does it do? It's the whole social network, right? And it I just have to upload it to GitHub so you guys can see it. Then it'll be open source. But right now it's only on my Namecheap server. So I've just been lazy, dude. I've been so busy, dude. Like, but really just like I don't know. Can't really blame it on anything, but it's really just my fault. Everything, you know. So I just got to figure out like that's what we're doing right now. So all right, so yeah, dude, I'll give you guys what's it called? Access to the GitHub, and you guys can definitely do that, bro. I think you guys have access already, but I don't know. You guys probably don't, because I don't know why. But besides that, if you guys need access, bro, let me know. I'll definitely, especially all the moderators, everybody that's you know, my the people that know who you guys know who you are out there. I like the people that stay in contact and just like even if we don't stay in contact, like because like I'll go like a year without saying something to somebody, but it's kind of like that's still, it's like nothing been foul. You still the same person, you know. So it's like, dude, you my dog. And I'm talking about the people in my Facebook group that's been here since forever. Uh, and then also, the people on Discord and everywhere else really, but really, on Discord, it's been with me in the chats and stuff, you know, going through this stuff with me. It's like we kind of like made like a team out of it together, and that's really cool to me. Like Elliot, Pat, DK, Adam, Falak. So a lot of people, man, just a lot of people. Crystal, uh, just a lot of people, dude. Like if I don't say your name, like still, Bart, you know, Matt, like even though they're not a part of the cohorts and stuff, they still they're from the Facebook, they're from the old school. Instead of worrying about the pile of things that needs to be done or planned, need to decide the single thing that needs to be done next. Yeah, so I think what needs to be done next is I need to first, I need to go ahead and put the open source social network on GitHub. Now that you put it like that, that's exactly what I need to do first. So everybody's on the same kind of like path as me. Like everybody, so it's open source. So everybody can see what's going on. Like not partially open source, fully open source, right? Yeah. Elliot, instead of Trello, I think we should use GitHub pages. Like just because we already have a GitHub really, you know, and we can make it private, but so that's number one. Number two is the SQL forms. I gotta put the S. I'm saying SQL forms. I have to figure out. We have to like the next step is to figure out how to make the forms. Like if I make a form on our website, how to make it so that it connects. Yeah. Hey, if you guys want, we can like hop in the chat, dude. That'd be really cool. Uh, See, that's the thing. GitHub projects is it's the same thing as Trello, but it's even better. Trust me. I thought I showed you. Oh, you weren't on the GitHub tutorial. Go to GitHub projects. Go to github.com. Go to one of your repositories and check out your GitHub projects. It has a Kanban board, but then not only that, it's automated too. It has an automated Kanban board. It's really cool, dude. Like really, it's really cool, dude. Anyways, what was I saying? So the SQL form. That's the or I'm saying SQL form, but if you guys want, go check out open source social network on Google. And if you can see I just gotta upload it to GitHub so that so we can see it. You can convert notes to issues in your projects. I didn't know that. That's cool. Um, and the moderators DM. Yeah. So yeah, we have to make a moderators DM, dude, for real. And another thing is like we gotta figure out how to the forms. We have to figure out this form thing, how to make it so the form, if somebody like fills out the form, uh, They submit their information. I don't. So you said Firebase, and then it would separate them into groups, like it based on the information that they send us. You know what part of the world they're in, and what experience level they are. That's the major thing right there. That's all right. I'm gonna check the Discord. I don't know if I can log out of this though. I think I'm like, oh my god. Oh, dude, I should totally give you guys like moderator privilege here too. I wonder if I could do that. Well, I think you guys are already like, I don't know. I don't know if I can do that. Anyways, uh, uh yeah, dude. Uh, that's a biggie. Like, just that's the main thing right there. Like that, and how to send bulk emails, and that way it can be totally automated, and all I'll have to do. Firebase DB will hold the data. Then so do you guys want to set that up? Like, do you guys want to work on setting that up? Like, I've been told you guys, bro. Look, I've been nurturing you guys, bro. This is what I bred you for. Bro, this is why I bred you guys. This was your guys' main mission. Bro, that's crazy. You guys know so much more about it than me. Like, and I kind of like put like it's cool. That's so cool, bro. And this is what I'm talking about, bro. Like I want more study groups to just like I need to get this out to more people, so like more people like will just be on that level as you guys. Because just putting you, Adam and Pat on that path, dude, that was, I knew it was the right path. Like because somebody smarter than me told me, and like it's the path I'm on and I want to be on. But I'm also learning like I'm gonna have to learn SQL and PHP a little bit because, but that's okay because like I wanted to learn that anyways for the open source social network because a lot of it's in PHP and SQL, I think. But that's okay. But like I think I'll be able to implement Firebase with that form, and I like because the open source social network, it's in the pro subdomain. So that's why when you go to, I've heard cool things about Zapier too. Automate.io will do the same thing as Zapier though, and I think it does it. I want to make like my own Automate.io. I put that question on Quora, and they won't. They took that down. They're like, "Nah, son, you gotta, nah, son." I was like, "Oh." I had to rephrase the question like a dozen times. Um, but yeah, oh, with the email, yeah. I mean, I maybe, but yeah, but I think with Zapier, like that's like you have to pay eventually. That's the thing. But like, I want to figure out like there should be a way like with the like the bulk emos. All right, yeah, until we figure out how to do it, that'd be a good idea, I guess, since we don't know any other way to do it, and we could we could probably use both. We can like, I don't know, but yeah, dude. Uh, I mean, eh, if you guys want to do it, bro, let's get it done, bro. Like I kind of know how to do it a little bit, but I think we can go in like a group chat one day and just all get that done, and that would be neat. And also with that form, right? Yo, Pat and Adam, if you guys want to work on that, and then we could probably get DK and like Falaxo involved too. They'd probably really enjoy that. Like, but I don't know if Falaxo and DK like know enough about the Firebase. DK might, but I don't know if Falaxo does. Like, I don't know. But who's the other dude though? There's like one other dude. I don't know. But like, oh yeah, Elliot can be involved too. But there's another dude too. But who else? I don't know. But what's it called? Yeah, so we can definitely do that, bro. Like, if you guys want to work on that, like, and figure out how to do that. Yeah, we definitely be sending like 100 emails because like eventually about there's gonna be like thousands of people that sign up. But like I guess see, and that's where like that's where like us having a free version would help because then we'd be able to keep it free and it'd already be automated. Like I don't know. That's that's a part of the free like that's why I say like once we make a free version, we can start making a better paid version. Yeah, so I think they know JavaScript. I think Adam, there's been a couple people that have hit me up about that data visualization thing, man. So I mean, I'll get you guys all together again, but I think that would really benefit you guys. Tamari could help. I think if Tamari sticks with it, bro, Tamari would be freaking awesome, bro. Tamari just got to stick like, and I think he would like to stick with it though, cause that'd be a cool project. I think he would like that. Yeah, dude. It's not like a study thing. It's more like a project thing. So I don't see why he wouldn't be like, oh, I gotta do something now. He'd be like, yo, let's do it. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I think tomorrow would like that, dog. Oh, I don't know who's living in China. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's my number one dude. I want to see get a job. Like, besides you guys that finished the study groups, that's that's my number one dude. Like that I want to see get a job, bro. Besides like you guys that like got the certificates and went through it all the way, like well him too. Like I want to see him get them certs, dog. I want to see him go through this free code camp and get these certs, dog, and build these projects, like and start freelancing and like getting like it's time, bro. Like me too. It's time for me too. Oh, dude, you dropped the Zoom link. Sweet, where you at? Probably gonna log off. Where's it at in Discord? Yeah, dude, Pat, Elliot, bro, Adam, bro, come join us, dude. We're about to hit up Zoom. I dropped the Zoom link. Where now? Now I gotta find the Zoom link. Is it in Elliot? Is it in Discord? Go to Discord. All right. What's it in the community chat? Which channel did you drop that in? Yo, I wonder if I can like screen record with this. I think I can, dude. I got Restream. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. All right, sweet, dude. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later. And gentlemen, I'm about to join y'all in the Discord, Zoom